As the two largest economy, a healthy trade relationship between China and US will be crucial so that the other country can benefit out of the healthy trade relationship.
A robust China-US economic and trade relationship can drive global economic growth and stability. These two economies represent a significant portion of global trade and investment.
I think it is very important because both the USA and China are very important countries economically, so the relations are important for them but also for the world.
La imposición de aranceles, en el caso que se efectivice, lo que va a generar es una desestabilización todavía mayor de las cadenas globales de valor estratégicas.
I think that if you protect too much your economy, you are protecting some minority, but the majority of the population will suffer because of increased price of imported goods.
Tariff and other trade mechanisms have to be avoided so that the world can progress in the economic development as well as growth.
Se hace muy necesario que se desarrolle un diálogo saludable y una cooperación plena entre China y Estados Unidos. Son dos grandes países que tienen una gran trascendencia en el escenario político, económico, internacional, y se hace necesario que desarrollen una cooperación y diálogo entre los dos países.
The Chinese economy and US economy are to a certain extent intertwined. There is a lot of mutual benefit. I think the business community are hoping to have more cooperation.